Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am giving you a quick method to run Laravel inside Docker. So I have a full PDF guide with the code, link in the description. Your only job in this video is copy the code, create the file, paste it. That's it. Let's go. For this we will create a new Laravel project. For this open our command line, write a prompt, composer create Laravel new Docker projects. Now check this will create a new Laravel project from scratch. Now we open this project into a Visual Code Editor. First go to a new Docker projects. Write a code dot. Now this project is open in Visual Studio Code. Check all the files. Now we follow step-by-step process to run Laravel project with Docker. So step 1 is copy this code from the PDF. Go to a project root. Go to a project root, create a folder, Docker file and paste the code inside here. Done. Now we go to a step 2. Copy this code from step 2. Now create a new file, docker compose.yml. In the same folder and again paste the code here. Done. Now we go to a step 3. Copy that code. Go to a project. Here we will create a new folder called Docker. Inside Docker we create a new folder Nginx, and inside this we create a file default.config. Now we paste this code here. Now check the step 4. This is a code that will change in .env file. So copy this code, go to .env file here. Now paste the code. Change db host to db, not localhost. This is a common mistake, don't skip it. Now go to a step 5. In step 5, we only copy the command docker compose up dbuild and run this command into a terminal. This command will build a project into Docker containers. Now check here, it start working. It may take some time. Now check here, we start Docker desktop version here. After this, we check by giving command docker compose ps while all the containers are running or not. Check here, all 3 containers are should working. You can also check by opening a Docker desktop. Here, check here the project is running. Now we go to a step 6. These are some basic commands that we will execute at the start of every Laravel project. So we give a command docker compose execute app php artisan key generate. Here it give a warning, but at the end of video I will tell you how to remove this warning. Now we give another command php artisan migrate. After this we will give a command db seed. Now step 6 is completed. Now after step 6 we go to a step 7. Here copy a link and open it in a browser. Now check it. Laravel project is running on a browser. This is the interface for Laravel project. Now the part that confuses most people coming from normal Laravel setup. You used to just type PHP artisan key generate. That doesn't work anymore. PHP is not on your machine. It's inside the container. So every artisan command now look like this. Same command, just prefixes with docker compose execute app. That's the only change. That's the quick method. Full PDF with all code is in the description. Just copy and paste. If you want to go deeper, what is Docker? What is Nginx? Why we create docker compose.yml? Why we need default.config file? I am making detailed video on each of those. Subscribe so you don't miss them. You might see this warning after running your command. Don't panic. It's not an error. Everything still works. It's just saying that version 3.8 at the top of the Docker Compose file is outdated. New Docker doesn't need it anymore. Fix is simple. Open docker compose.yml, delete the first line, save the file, warning gone. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit like and share.